So what we have here, 8LFC078, is just another criminal gang stalker, right? But what his license plate says is pretty funny. It says, "Don't make me release the flying monkeys." But you see, if you're targeted like myself, and he's a gang stalker, he actually is one of the flying monkeys. He doesn't move until I move, right? He is one of the flying monkeys. You see, it's pretty funny his license plate says that, because he is one of them. He's one of the flying monkeys. One of the flying monkeys. That's what he is. And he can't help it that he's a sellout, because he's a sellout. I wonder what he sold out for. Did he sell out for a Hyundai? Did he sell out for a gift card? Wonder what he sold out for. Bye, sellout. Ham, this is my dog. Ham, what do you think he sold out for, Ham? Maybe a piece of ham? Huh? I don't know. See what's going on my street here. Good boy, buddy. Flying monkeys. That guy was one of the flying monkeys. Yeah.